I doubt you get much and many confused in everyday life when you're speaking. The problems come when it's in a closed test and you suddenly think that phrases like did, ought to, have should be the correct way of doing it, which it isn't. So let's make it clear. Much is when you can, it's a sort of like you can sort of like blodge it with your hands. Many is when you can count it. So let's have a couple of examples, shall we? And I've gone for a breakfast theme here because it's almost lunch. That's how my brain works. How much porridge would you like? Not how many porridge would you like, how much porridge. But you could say how many bowls of porridge would you want? Can you see? You can count the bowls, but you can't count the porridge. How many eggs would you want? But it would be how much scrambled egg do you want? Because you just sort of loop it out. Or if you prefer, how many spoons of scrambled egg do you want? Because you can count the spoonfuls. How much orange juice would you want? Glug, 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 glug. How many glasses of orange juice would you like? I like a piggy breakfast. Or how many slices of toast? You can count the slices of toast. How much bread? I would be doing it, but if I was sort of cutting it, do you want a big hunk, thin bit? How much do you want? I've forgotten how to turn it off again. See you soon. Bye-bye.